Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making a 7-Up pound cake. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. You will need 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 3 cups of sugar, 1½ cups of butter, 5 eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of lemon extract, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, and 3/4 cups of 7-Up soda. For the glaze, you'll need 1½ cups of confectioner's sugar, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, and 2 tablespoons of 7-Up soda. Make sure that your eggs and butter are at room temperature before starting. In your stand mixer, cream your sugar and butter. Now slowly add your eggs one at a time. Now add the lemon juice, lemon extract, and vanilla extract and continue mixing. Alternately add the flour and 7-Up and continue mixing until well combined. Place the batter in your prepared bundt pan, then transfer to your preheated oven and allow it to cook for 50 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean. After 50 minutes, remove the pan from the oven, then place it on a wire rack for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, remove the cake from the pan and place it on a wire rack and allow it to continue to cool for another 20 minutes. While your cake is cooling, now it is time to make our glaze. In a bowl, mix together the confectioner's sugar, lemon juice, and 7-Up. After your cake has cooled, pour your glaze on top, then set the cake aside for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, it is ready to serve. 7-Up pound cake is one of my favorites, and I'm sure it will become one of your favorites too. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
To grab